I wanna see you. I wanna see you so bad. Show me Macau. Show me, show me, show me, show me Macau. Show me Macau. I wanna see you Macau. I wanna, I so badly wanna see you Macau. Mama Macau. Mama Macau. Mama Macau. Ooh, ooh. I wanna see you, Macau. I wanna, I so badly wanna see you, Macau. Mama, Macau. Mama, Macau. Mama, Macau.
This is a little slice that I haven't filmed before, but it's kind of cool. Got some interesting spaces like that, and there's even like parking spaces here and up here, and we have this pink building up here too. I'm gonna look for the street sign, and I'll also put it up on a map so you can see exactly where we are. Big, spacious, nice and spacious. Okay, let's go check it all out. Okay, that beautiful building that you can see, that's where the chief executive officer lives, and that's actually where the previous governor used to live too, back when it was Portuguese. So very beautiful street. There's guards that are out front. I don't think I'm trying not to film them, so I don't think they're in the film, but they're there. And so basically we're kind of exploring this particular street. You've seen it up on the map. I'll put the lyrics behind me as well, which I created and put it into AI. And we're gonna get right to the walk and talk. We're actually gonna get deep into these little alleys around here. So anyways, let's go check out Travessa do Paiva. Okay, so we're gonna come down here. I'm kind of looking for a street sign, but I think it's just a small little alley. In Macau there's a lot of these patios, so I thought this might be a patio, but it's definitely not, because there's no street sign to it, but it looks like one. It's quite quiet. So we're gonna try to, I don't know, I might label the street where this pink building's at, which is like the governor's home. But we'll see. And I might explore down here too and see what's down this way. Little American thing. Okay. So we're gonna go down. Actually, we got some really spacious apartments too. Like this apartment building looks really nice. Might actually be able to go in there as well. Yeah, and this is the, I think it's like the governor's or something like that. There's security all the time in that space. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up first, and then we're gonna label the street accordingly. Get some contacts. We'll also find out what this horn is all about. And I think this might be our target street, since our little alley didn't really have one, which sounds like it's Paiva. Let's see where that horn is coming from. Okay, we're gonna go up. Another government building right here too, that yellow one. Then we have this seminary street is to the right, and then to the left is I think that's Salazaro, St. Lazarus. And we're on Central Street right now. Then this is going to be our target street, which is Paiva. gonna go across. Try to capture the street from this angle. So we were just in a little alley over there. It is really photogenic. And this one is kind of cool. So we were just up in that space. I kind of wanted to check this out too, but we'll go down a little bit further. And then this blue one, this pink one is like the governor one. Let's see, which looks pretty cool. Then we have another space here which I want to explore. I usually don't really explore in this area too much. Actually, that pink building is a little bit intimidating. But obviously, so this one right here, I'm gonna just walk in as well and include this. I don't think this has a street sign either. So I guess we'll label all of it the Paiva. So there's a ramp that goes up into those apartments. Elevator company, Mitsubishi. So let's go all the way back in here, which I haven't really done before. This area feels kind of weird. Check out that balcony right there. It's like a little chair, and they also wash clothes, but they have that space like that. Huh. Such a strange. But yeah, that looks so interesting up there. So let's go. Let's navigate this way. So strange. Huh. So yeah, this has no street sign. I can hear somebody singing. Let's kind of see what's to the right here. So we basically came down little patios. Huh. Well, let's go this way. So we started a video up there. It's really nice though. Okay, so we're gonna go down, all the way down, parking lot. So yeah, this is all Paiva Lane. Check out these little balconies like that too. So it comes all the way down to the waterfront, which is Nam Van Lake. So Nam Van Lake is straight ahead. There's also security guards that'll be straight ahead as well. So, but I'm just kind of walking in the public space, so I'm not going to focus too much on that building, but it has some significance. Oh, check out this balcony. And then there's another little alley in there too. Let me just kind of check this out real quick. So that's where we're going to be walking directly down that way in a moment. And this goes into another alley altogether. And I think this one goes out to like Praia. I think this is Praia Grande, and this is like a little Travessa de Praia Grande. And then you can see Nam Van Lake is straight ahead. And that's all part of that. And then this is this Paiva right here. And then we got this beautiful pink building right there as well. So that really beautiful, so you got that pink building and this building. And then this is all this Paiva, which is right there. Yeah, it looks really pretty. And we're just gonna come back up to the corner since I went into the corner before, and then we'll end our video. But really, really pretty street. These colors really help beautify it. And then we're gonna end it right about there, I think.